Hello everybody. Today we have for review a Yoassi bike mount for your bicycle and your phone. This product was sold by Good Assistant. Not sure what their relation is to Yoassi, if they're just a reseller or if that's a distributor or arm of them. Immediately inside the package you've got some instructions. Something like this is pretty darn simple though, so you really don't need too many instructions for it. So here's the back part right here where it mounts to the bike. You unscrew this. You've got a bunch of different rubber pieces right here, so that way you can mount it pretty much wherever you want to on the bike and screw it in as tight as you need to. The rubber is going to help you out with some friction on that metal bike frame. So you'll be able to screw that in and tighten it down pretty much wherever you want. Here on the back, it moves around. You've got an adjustable knob to loosen it and make it move easily. And then whenever you've found your sweet spot, you tighten it up. And now it can no longer be moved. Now we're going to take a look at this here. This, I'm assuming, is how you extend it. So you loosen this one right here, so that way you can extend and then tighten once you've got your phone in there. So for example, I have a Note 3 with a giant case, bumper case on it, and as I get it in there, I tighten it in. And it's covered all four corners. I tighten it down, and now I don't have to worry about this thing going anywhere. So this is actually really superior compared to my old mount. I was very excited to get this. My last mount I liked a lot at the very beginning. It's one of those ones that clips in on the sides and it holds it tight, but then it's got a little wrapping thing that goes around it too, and it's a little piece of rubber or silicone or something, so you wrap it around the corners. At the beginning I liked it, but then as time went on I didn't like it so much because it went over these buttons right here, and sometimes it would power it on, sometimes it would turn the volume up, and it was really annoying just trying to deal with it. Plus trying to get it on all four, I mean it's like putting a rubber band over here and then using the other piece to put it up over here and the other piece to put it up over here and expecting it not to slide off or move out of place. It was kind of annoying. So this right here solves that problem. That's kind of what I mentioned to them when I was asked to review this. So it does have a foam back right here, so you don't have to worry about your phone getting scratched up any. Provided your phone is the standard dimensions, I think this would fit. I don't see any reason why it wouldn't fit. Let me try a couple other here. We have a Droid Max 2. Fits good and tight. Let's take a look at the Droid Max 1. Yeah, it tightens right down, all four, so this is awesome. Do one last one. Got a LG Virgin Mobile. I'm just kidding. There's no way anybody still uses these phones. Joke, joke, joke. I got you guys. All right. So, anyways, looks like it's going to pretty much fit any standard phone. I mean, this Note 3 is about the biggest thing that you can get out there right now. And with that bumper case on there, it still fits in this. So I really like that. I mean, gosh, you can probably throw a 7-inch tablet in this thing. You probably could throw a 7-inch tablet in. No, not quite. I don't think it's going to go wide enough for that. Anyways, almost could. But yeah, so I'm pretty excited about this. We'll get it on the bike, use it a few times, and then after I've gotten a good review for you guys, I'll write something up. Any questions, comments, make sure to ask. I'll get to them as soon as I can. And I did receive this for free in exchange for the review. Thank you.